crap on you.
Oh my god. So we're taking pictures, and there's this one that made me look really manly. And basically, you look really manly. Oh my god.
I can't wait to look back on this video and we're like 20 years old and we're like, what the freak are we doing with our lives?
We'll be all wrinkly and we'll be like, oh, look at us little kitties.
When I was a young lad.
And then we'll be like, get off our lawn.
Listen, that's some crackhead.
Remember when we were like, ching chong, ching ching. Oh, but she likes to fart fat. Okay.
We're done. We're done. Goodbye.